Genesis chapter 1, verse 9 to 13:9. And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so. 10. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. 11. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And it was so. 12. The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seed in it according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. 13. And there was evening, and there was morning, the third day. Sa ikatlong araw ng paglikha, iniutos ng Diyos na magsama-sama ang tubig upang lumitaw ang tuyong lupa. Tinawag niya ang tuyong bahagi na lupa at ang tubig na dagat. Pagkatapos, pinasibol niya ang mga halaman at puno na may kanya-kanyang uri at may mga binhi. Nakita ng Diyos na ito ay mabuti.
Follow for more.